Novo Skincare Review. Is it legit or a scam? So Novo Skincare appears to be a beauty clinic offering in-person services. It has the facials, dermal fillers, microneedling, Botox, and more. Based on their website, they emphasize personalized cosmeticals focused treatments, and nothing indicates that this is a standalone product brand or a widely distributed skincare line. So let's talk about the pros and cons. So for the pros, they offer professional service-oriented clinic with a range of advanced facial and aesthetic treatments like the HIFU, the microneedling, the PRP, and the hydrofacial. They highlight experiences and personalized care and positive patient experiences. However, there are some cons. There is no BBB accreditations and no available customer reviews or complaints listed. There are also some limits of the visibility into the customer satisfaction or the clinic legitimacy. And the website lacks details, so there's no therapist credentials, clinic addresses, or licensing information provided publicly, making it hard to validate their qualifications or facility integrity. So overall, it seems to be a real clinic offering advanced skin and aesthetic services and not a product-based brand. Their website represents a polished image and treatment offering, but without accreditation or detailed practitioner credentials, it's hard to assess their trustworthiness and fully. So if you're considering visiting them, look for the licensing and certifications, visit in person, and treat them as a service clinic.